In order to get a rate quote from Diversified Transportation Services, you need to go to dtsone.com. You're going to need a login and password. If you don't already have one, email our customer service team or call us. We'll be more than happy to set up an account for you and give you a login and password. You want to go to the quote button right here in red on the left-hand side. Click quote. That'll refresh our transportation management software, our TMS, to the quote screen. You want to plug in the origin zip code. I'm going to use Torrance, California. And I'm going to say that I don't know the zip code where it's going, but I do know the city. If I click the Find Zip tool, I can type in the name of the city. We're going to use Mahwah, New Jersey. It'll populate the zip codes for me. I'll pick the one that makes the most sense and click OK. We know I'm shipping one piece, and actually it is a pallet, but in this case, I'm going to change it to a crate. I don't know the class, but I do know the weight. You have to know the weight to get an accurate rate. On the right-hand side, we have a cube tool. We're going to click on the cube tool to figure out what the density and classification of the freight is. We hit commodity. I'm going to use plastic articles. I have to know the dimensions of the product or else I'm not going to get an accurate rate. 40 inches by 48 inches by 65 inches. It's one pallet, 999 pounds. I'm going to hit calculate density. Over here on the right, it's going to show me it's 13.83 pounds per cubic feet, or PCF, and an estimated class of 85. I'm going to click the Save Density button and then go back here to class and make that class 85. So, if we need any accessorials, such as inside delivery, liftgate, pickup, or residential, you want to click those buttons right there, and that accessorial will pop up. Go down to the bottom left-hand side, click Get a Quote. The screen will refresh. It'll provide a load number. In this case, it's 1369260. Shows the origin city, Torrance, California. The destination city, Mahwah, New Jersey. Shows the weight. Shows a pickup date of 6/1. And shows an arbitrary delivery date of 6/5/2017. Don't pay attention to the delivery date here. That's just an arbitrary date. We're going to use the different carriers down here. That's what's going to show the actual transit times. Roadrunner's a 6-day advertised transit time. Dotline's 5-day. Daylight's 3 days. In this case, I'm going to pick Daylight. They have a 3-day transit time. It's $1 a pound cargo liability, and the customer charges are $425. I'm going to hit Save Quote. Now keep in mind, the cheapest rate may not always be the best one. As I hit Save Quote, my screen will refresh. It'll take me to the shipment profile screen noted over here. It shows a quoted amount, shows the load number, and I'm all set. It's that simple. That is what you need to do in order to get a rate quote from Diversified Transportation Services. If you have any questions, feel free to call our customer service team or email us, and we will be more than happy to help you. Our number for customer service is 310-521-1200. Thank you very much, and I look forward to talking to you on your next podcast.